We created Miro Kanban framework so you can get more done as a team. Create a single source of truth where everyone can align around the same goal, surface dependencies, anticipate what's coming next, and suggest process improvements. The Kanban framework is easy and intuitive, with just enough functionality to help your team stay organized and keep things simple at the same time. Get started quickly with the default setup: to do, in progress, and done. Or customize it for your workflow by creating more columns and swim lanes. Add a new card from the toolbar. Expand it to fill out additional information, such as assignee or due date. Using Jira with your team? Add existing Jira issues to Kanban framework in Miro, or convert Miro cards to Jira issues. Anyone in your company can use Miro Kanban framework to plan sprints and releases with your software development team, manage complex marketing campaigns, event plans, and product launches, track hiring processes, visualize IT help desk solutions, and more.